guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today I'm going to be trying to do heatless curls with this flower curl. So this is supposed to give you some really nice curls without putting heat at all on your hair, and you're supposed to just leave this overnight, wake up with beautiful curls. I believe this cost me like $20-$30 or something like that, but I'm going to put everything down below, all the information. It is currently 11:25. It's a little bit late. I go to sleep like at 2 in the morning. I know it's so bad. Okay, so here is the what do I call this? I don't know what to call this. The flower curl. I'm just gonna call it the flower curl. I don't know if that's the name of the brand. It brings another ring just in case if you want to do it with 5. I'm gonna do it with 5 because I do have a lot of hair, so I'm just gonna put that right in here. So now it has 5 rings. I think that will be better for me, but we'll see. So you're supposed to wrap your hair around these rings, sleep with this on, and wake up with beautiful curls. You're supposed to use bobby pins, which actually this brings bobby pins, and I am so happy about that. But at the same time, I'm like, are you serious? Because guys, I'm not even joking, but I was looking for bobby pins all over the house for like the last 30 minutes. And I'm like over here asking everybody, where are the bobby pins? Where are the bobby pins? I need bobby pins. But this brings bobby pins, and it brings enough, I think. So you're supposed to just do like a high ponytail. So let's do that right now. So I guess that's how I'm supposed to leave it. Okay, this donut is just falling down like crazy. So I'm gonna try that again. So like this. I'm gonna use a bobby pin to secure the donut. Okay, so I think it's secure. So now we're gonna take pieces of hair. For example, I'm gonna take this one, and I'm just gonna start to wrap it around this ring. So like this, I guess. You're supposed to use bobby pins to kind of like secure everything. Okay, so I did my first little ring. I will say your arms get a little bit tired after a while. I think I'm gonna secure this right here with a bobby pin. My arms are like super tired. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to sleep now. As you can see, it's 11:43, so it didn't take me too long to do that. I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know what I think about this and how my hair turns out. So see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and I went to sleep with this on my head. And I'll link it down below if you guys want to buy like a bonnet or something like this. So let's take this off. As you can see, I also had a bandana just to like prevent frizz. So I'm just going to start taking off the bobby pins. There's a lot of bobby pins here. I hope that this was able to curl my hair. By the way, this was like super comfortable to sleep in. It didn't bother me at all, because everything's like up here, so it's like it doesn't bother you that much. If it's like around here, then yeah, it's gonna bother you more. Okay, so I'm just going to start taking this off. This is pulling my hair a little bit. Oh, okay, you get a little bit of something. I don't know if you guys can see, but you do get some waves. I will say the curls are like a little bit all over the place, but let me see if I can kind of put them together, kind of like this. I'm not like mad about it because it's heatless curls. I didn't use heat to create these curls, which is awesome. But they're not like perfect curls. They're kind of just like waves. And some parts don't look that great. Like for example, this right here is kind of like eh. I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair and just kind of see if I can make this look cuter. These are just kind of like natural looking waves, which I still really do like, but they don't look as defined or like put together. Like it kind of just looks like if I woke up like this. Like if I just woke up with my natural waves. Let me show you guys the back. Something that I don't love about this is that you can only use this on long hair. Like you can't use this on short hair because you have to tie your hair up here. Some people have really short hair and they can't even like do a high ponytail, you know what I mean? So if you can do a high ponytail, then I think this could work for you. But you also need long enough hair to roll your hair all around the rings. So I mean, you do kind of need pretty long hair to use this. If you have shorter hair, it's just not gonna work. I'm gonna try to kind of just bring my hair to the side just to make it look more natural. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like how my hair turned out? I am not mad about it. Like I am totally gonna rock these waves today. Like I'm totally gonna take some selfies, and I don't know, I really like how it looks. I'm also not like crazy about these curls. Like if I wanted to maybe create some very defined and nice looking curls for like a wedding or something like that, I feel like I can't do that with this. Like this is just kind of like an everyday, you know, wavy hair type of thing. But I really do like how my hair turns out, and it looks like it has a lot of volume. I can picture myself using this more though, because sometimes I just want a little bit of a wave. Sometimes I just want something like natural looking like this. It really looks like if I just woke up with my hair looking like this, and I like that. I really like that look. I'll link this down below if you guys want to check it out, if you guys want to purchase it. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's like okay? Let me know in the comments down below. You can be honest. I love reading your comments and talking to you guys. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, I totally forgot to tell you guys, but if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube, so go ahead and check out my Instagram. I'm like very active on there, always posting stories and stuff, so check it out. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.